Today, we will learn about the basic probability, how likely an event is to happen. I will explain its concept step by step, and you will follow along and respond to quick checks for understanding. Listen carefully as I explain. Probability tells us how likely something is to happen. It is written as fractions, decimals, or in percentage. The formula is probability is equals to the number of favorable outcomes over the total number of outcomes. For example, a bag has 3 red balls and 2 blue balls. What is the probability of picking a red ball? Yes, it is zero point 0.6 in decimal or 60% in percentage. Your turn. If a spinner has 8 equal sections and 2 are green, what is the probability of landing on green? Well, review your answer after each example. What is probability? Probability is a measure of how likely an event is to happen. It ranges from 0 or possible and 1 for certain. Example, getting heads on a coin flip. What do you think is the answer? It is 1 half or in decimal, it is 0.5. What's the probability of rolling a 4 on a 6-sided die? Yes, it is 1 out of 6 or 1 over 6. The formula of probability is equals to number of favorable outcomes over the total number of outcomes. For example, picking a red marble from a bag with 2 red and 3 blue marbles. What is the answer? Yes, it is 2 over 5. Another example. A jar has a 4 green and 1 yellow candy. What is the probability of picking yellow? If I flip a coin, what is the possible outcome? Yes, it is head or tails. What is the chance of getting heads? Why? I'll give you a situation. Talk to your partner and come up with the answer. A bag contains 3 red marble, 2 blue, and 1 green marble. What is the probability of drawing a blue marble? Share your answer to the class. Now, another activity. Roll and record. Use a 6-sided die, roll it 20 times and record your result. How many times did each number come up? What what's the experimental probability of rolling a tree? Compare it to the theoretical probability. Did the result match what you expected? What might cause the probabilities to differ? Now, write your own real-life probability questions and solve it. Be ready to share it to the class.